नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम् लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम् नमः। गतकक्षासु अस्माभिः कृदन्तानाम् अभ्यासः कृतः। अद्यापि कृदन्तेषु एकः प्रत्ययः अस्माभिः अधीयते। सः प्रत्ययः वर्तते, गतकक्षायां तु शत्रुप्रत्ययः अधीतः। अद्य वयं शानच् प्रत्ययस्य अभ्यासं कुर्मः। शत्रु तथा शानच् इति अनयोः अर्थः समानमेव। नाम किं? शत्रुप्रत्ययः अपि प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस मध्ये उपयुज्यते, तथा शानच् प्रत्ययः अपि उपयोगः तथैव। यथा शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य वर्तते रामः खादन् अस्ति, रामः गच्छन् अस्ति, रामः गच्छन् वदति इत्यादिकं प्रयोगः भवति प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। तथैव शानच् प्रत्ययस्य अपि भवति, किन्तु भेदः कः इति चेत् शत्रुप्रत्ययः सर्वदा परस्मैपदिनः ये धातवः तैः सह एव शत्रुप्रत्ययः भवति। शानच् प्रत्ययस्य किं विशेषम्? आत्मनेपदिनः ये धातवः सन्ति तैः धातुभिः सह शानच् प्रत्ययः भवति, अथवा तेभ्यः धातुभ्यः शानच् प्रत्ययः उपयुज्यते। तथा प्रयोगे तु उपयोगः समानमेव। यथा रामः कार्यं कुर्वन् अस्ति, राम इज वर्किंग। So similarly, if we want to use Shanach Pratyaya, we have to add this Shanach Pratyaya along with Atmanepadi Dhatu. Basically, Karoti is Ubhayapadi Dhatu. It is Parasmepadi also, and it is Atmanepadi also. So even you can use Ramaha Karyam Kurvan Asti, or even you can say Ramaha Karyam Kurvanah Asti. So this is regarding Ubhayapada. So if dhatu only belongs to Atmanepada, then I can say Ramaha Gurum Vandamanah Asti. And if I use Parasmepadi dhatu, like Namati dhatu belongs to Parasmepada, so it will be Ramaha Gurum Naman Asti. So Rama is going down to Guru or saluting to the Guru. Similarly, if I use Vanda dhatu only belongs to Atmanepada, so the sentence would go like Ramaha Guru Vandamanah Asti. So meaning is same. Only it differs because of pada, whether dhatu belongs to Parasmepada or Atmanepada. If dhatu belongs to Parasmepada, we will use Shatru Pratyaya. If dhatu belongs to Atmanepada, we will use Shanach Pratyaya. So regarding Shanach Pratyaya, let me show the slides. Okay. Shanach Pratyaya we are learning. The basically sutra is same for Shatru and Shanach Pratyaya. Let us Shatru Shanachau Prathama Samanadhikarane. Basically, so Shatru Pratyaya and Shanach Pratyaya are used to indicate the present continuous tense or even simple present continuous tense, simple tense. Like for example, let's take the example of Vanda Dhatu. The main root is Vanda. Then Shanach Pratyaya will be added. And from Shanach Pratyaya only Ana will remain. Chakara will get its Saudhya, it will be dropped. Sh will get its Saudhya, it will be dropped. Only Ana will remain. Now, after adding that Ana Pratyaya, so if Dhatu belongs to Prathama Gana, we have to bring that Vikarana in between, conjugation. तो कॉन्जुगेशन लाकर उसका पर्टिकुलर गण का जो कॉन्जुगेशन का जो विकरण रहता है वो विकरण बीच में लाना पड़ता है. सो बेसिकली वंद धातु बिलोंग्स टू प्रथम गण, भ्वादि गण. For that we need to use a vikarana. Basically shap pratyay will be added, and from that shap a will remain. Okay, so vanda plus ana. Now before adding that ana pratyaya, the sutra comes ane muk, ana pratyay pare sati muk agamah bhavati. So makar will be added to ana, it will become mana. Okay, so now vandamana is the form now. Vandaman. Now, based on that Vandamana, we can decline that Shabda in all three cases. It becomes adjective, like Vandamanaha, Vandamanavu, Vandamanaha, Pullinga. All Shanach Pratyay will be declined like Rama Shabda. Sevamanaha, Sevamanav, same in Pullinga. What about Strilinga? Let's make Akaranta Shabda. Vandamana. Vandamana. Okay. So Vandamana like Rama. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Lata, Late, Lataha. Similarly, Vandamana, Vandamane, Vandamanaha. All seven cases you can decline. What about Napusaklinga? Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Vandamanam, Vandamane, Vandamanani. This is how in all three genders the Shanach Pratyay will be declined. Like Ramaha, Lata, and Vanam. Okay. Now, based on this, we will practice little bit. So basically, Kampa Dhatu, it has avikarana, and then you will add mana, Kampamanaha, Pullinga, Kampamana, Strilinga, and Kampamanam, Napusaklinga. Rocha Dhatu is there, avikarana is there, mana pratyay will be added. So basically, while adding the Shanach Pratyaya, Muk Agama will happen. But when there is a before that Ana Pratyaya. Okay. तो जहां जहां अ वाला आता है, जैसे कि भुआदिगण का कोई धातु है, चुरादिगण का जो धातु है, षष्ठम गण का जो धातु है, और चुरादिगण के जो धातु है, उनके साथ हमेशा मान 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 ऐसे यूज होगा। और इनके अलावा जितने भी गण बचते हैं, 6 गण है ना, द्वितीय गण, तृतीय गण, पंचम गण, सप्तम गण, अष्टम गण, नवम गण, इनके जो भी धातु होते हैं उनके साथ हमेशा आन डायरेक्टली विल बी एडेड। तो आपको यही याद रखना है, वेदर धातु बिलोंग्स टू भुआदि गण प्रथम गण, वेदर धातु बिलोंग्स टू दिवादि गण और नॉट, वेदर धातु बिलोंग्स टू तुदादि गण और नॉट, और धातु बिलोंग्स टू चुरादि गण और नॉट. If you remember that, you can directly use mana pratyay along with that. Okay. Kri dhatu doesn't belong to any of this, in the sense not prathama gana, not chaturtha gana, not shashtam gana, and not 10th gana. So because of that, muk agama will not happen, and directly we will use ana. So kurvana it will become. Kurvanaha, kurvanav, kurvanaha pullinga, kurvana, kurvane, kurvanaha strilinga, kurvanam, kurvane, kurvanani will be napusaklinga. She dhatu doesn't belong to any of these 4 gana. So ana pratyay will directly use. She will change into she, then it becomes shayana. How it becomes? Again, there is a prakriya. I am not elaborating that prakriya, how it happens. You just memorize the ultimate forms. Like there are some dhatus, bhavaviganasta some dhatus I have put here. Vanda dhatu is there. Avikaran will be added. Then mana pratyay will be added. It will become vandamanaha for pullinga form. Vandamanaha, vandamanu, vandamanaha. In all 7 cases, it will be declined like Ramaha. Vandamana, strilinga form, will be declined like Lata, Lataya, Rama, Rami. Whatever you have memorized. Vandamana, Vandamani, Vandamanaha. Okay. In now neuter gender, it will go like Vandamanam, Vandamane, Vandamanani. Similarly, Seva dhatu belongs to Bhavadigana, Mana pratyay will be added, Sevamanaha, Pullinga, Sevamana, Strilinga, Sevamanam, Napusaklinga. Iksha dhatu, again it is Atmanipadi dhatu. It is Bhavadiganastaha dhatu. Mana pratyay will be added, then it will go Ikshamanaha, Parikshamanaha, Apekshamanaha. Like that you have to. Bhashamanaha, Arabhamanaha, Ramamanaha, Vardhamanaha, Shankamanaha, Shamsamanaha, Sahamanaha. Now use these forms in sentences. Vandamanaha asti. Ramaha gurum vandamanaha asti. Rama is saluting to Guru. Rama is bowing down to Guru. Similarly, Sita Arundhatim vandamanaha asti. Sita is bowing down to Arundhati. हाँ. Next dhatu, Sevamanaha.
शिष्यः गुरुं सेवमानः अस्ति.
Done. Nice. Strilinga, Sevamana.
शिष्या गुरुं सेवमाना आसीत्.
Yeah, fine. Asit also we can say she was serving, right? Yes. मित्रम, न्यूट्रल जेंडर। मम मित्रम गुरुम सेवमानम आसीत् अथवा अस्ति। ओके, नेक्स्ट ईक्षते। ईक्षते मीन्स टू सी, ईक्षमाणः। वदन्तु वाक्यानि रचनीयानि शीघ्रं शीघ्रम्।
आ, भगवान आ, भक्तान
हम्म
आ, ईक्षमाणः अस्ति।
हम्म भगवान भक्तान ईक्षमाणः भवति अस्ति। भवति अस्ति।
भवति भवति
ही ऑलवेज सदा सदा ईक्षमाणः भवति। साधु। परीक्षमाणः गुरुः शिष्यान् परीक्षमाणः अस्ति। The teacher is examining his students. अपेक्षमाणः
ईक्षमाणः
डिजायरिंग।
सीता आ, आम,
मृगम,
हरिणी
सुवर्ण मृग,
मृगां
हरिणम।
सुवर्णमृगाम् अपेक्षमाणः
सीता।
अपेक्षमाणा
हम्म
अपेक्षमाणा अस्ति।
डन। भाषमाणः भाषमाना। प्लूरल you make now, even pullinga or strilinga, whatever you want to make.
बालकः ओके वक्ता सभायां भाषमाणः अस्ति।
भाषमाणः अस्ति। The speaker is speaking in the assembly. Next. महिलाः
छात्राः
भवन्ति।
छात्राः वर्गे संस्कृतं भाषमाणम् अस्ति।
भाषमाणः अस्ति। Nice. Next. महिलाः प्रकृत्या भाषमाणाः आरभमानः। अत्र माणः इति भवेत् खलु। आरभ कवर्ग पवर्ग आम्। आरभमान। लेट मी चेंज दैट इनटू माणः। रभमाणः।
How can we say like that? वो जो कथा थी ना प्रचलित कि मंडन मिश्र के घर के आगे जो पोपट था वो संस्कृत की ऋचाएं बोलता था, और कसाई के घर के आगे जो पोपट था वो लाइक गंदी भाषा बोलता था। वैसे वो ऋषि का घर है वो पहचान पाते थे। तो वो साथ में कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि उसके घर के आगे जो तोता था वो वेद रुचाई बोलता था, और उसके घर के आगे जो तोता था वो अभद्र भाषा बोलता था।
जी, I will make a sentence. Before that, recently we had conference on Adi Shankara here, and I had chance to read Shankara Digvijay. Okay, so in that Shankara
Oh, wow.
Swami Vidyaranya Swami, I am still reading that. In the sense, I gave a lecture on that, but now the story is big. Let me explain that story. It is an interesting story. So basically, Shankaracharya ji, he went to the Omkareshwar he took a sannyas from Swami Govinda Padacharya. Then Govinda Padacharya taught him all the Shastra scriptures and the regional languages, etc. Then he moves towards, he goes Kashi, then Badrikashram, etc., etc. Then Vyasji, also there is a debate between Vyasji and Shankaracharya ji, because Shankaracharya ji has written the sutras on Brahma Sutra, right? He wrote a Bhashyam. And then to examine Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji, the Vyasji takes a form of a Vriddha person, and he goes there to and asks who is that person who has written something. Then Padmapadacharya ji says, there is our Bhagavan, Shankaracharya ji, he can explain anything to you. Then okay, Vyasji goes and the debate goes on for 8 days. And then Padmapalacharya ji understands, there is no person like a Vyasa in this, so who can debate with Shankaracharya. Then he goes to the Shankaracharya and tells, he is not a sadharan person, he is Sakshat Vyasa. Actually, Bhagavan Shankaracharya knows everything. But still Padmapadacharya goes and he tells, there are lots of stories, how he gets a Padmapada Nama, how all the Shishyas has different name and how they got different name. There is a big story. Sometimes I will take a separate class on Shankaracharya ji, on Madhav Digvijay. I am collecting all the material. Sometimes I will. Okay. Now, then Vyasji, he comes in original form, he blesses him, and then he asks him to take this Shastra, whatever Brahma Sutra Bhashya you have written, take this and go for Digvijay. Then he moves from that place and he comes to Kumaril Bhatta. Now, Kumaril Bhatta is a very, versatile person. He is a, Mimamsaka. He believes in Vedas, means the Shastram. Tas Shastram Pramanam te, tasma Shastram Pramanam te. If Shastra says something, he will accept that. And what happens in that period, in Shankaracharya's period or Kumaril Bhatta's period, the Bauddha Dharma was increased and everywhere there was a stupa, the Buddha's stupa, their viharas, etc., etc. And the Matam, Bauddha Matam was a little bit prominent. And to defeat that Bauddha Matam, Kumaril Bhatta tries very hard, and for that he has to go to the Bauddha Gurus and he has to understand first Bauddha philosophy. And then he wanted to defeat. Okay, then Kumaril Bhatta, what he does, he visits in Bauddha ashrama, etc., and he meets Bauddha gurus, and he takes another form. He doesn't say, I am a Brahmana, I belong, I am the Veda, I take a Veda Pramana, etc. He doesn't say anything. He learns everything from them, and Kumaril Bhatta, defeats all his guru. But he had Nishtha in Shastra. Okay, he believes in Vedas, and Vedas says Guru Sakshat Parabrahma. Guru is directly Brahman only. So he thinks that I have done something wrong because I learned from them. Eka Shastram api, if we learn Ekam Aksharam api Guruho Adhite, if we learn one Shastram from Guru, that rule, पुराने मतलब क्या नहीं कर सकते, हम चुका नहीं सकते. So he thinks he is a Sakshat Parabrahma and I have done something wrong. So to go through that Prayashchitta, he actually takes the sankalpa that I will go through to Shagnik, Agnadaha, I will burn myself. So this is how he takes a sankalpa. But before that, while defeating Bauddha Darshana, he defeated all the gurus. But gurus were a little bit, they said, if you consider Vedas as Pramana, ultimate Pramana, then you have to take that Vedas, you have to put those Vedas in your hand, and you have to go on the top of mountain, and you have to jump there by saying, if Vedas are Pramana, then I will live. I will be alive only. And if Vedas are not Pramana, then I will die. Then after listening that sentence, actually Kumaril Bhatta goes on the top of that mountain. He takes that Veda in hand and he says, Yadi Veda Pramanani Chijjiveyam. If Vedas are Pramana, then I will be alive. Then he jumps from that hill. And after jumping, because of some reason, the one, what, Trinam, breaks his eye. And when he fall down, he was alive. And then all other gurus accepted that Vedas are ultimate pramana. The Bauddha gurus also, they accepted that Vedas are pramana. But when he fell down, that time he was fighting with, how I can get, the cut. तो बाकी बोल रहे थे, अरे बाबा, इतने ऊपर से कोई गिरता है तो कोई किसी का कुछ बचता नहीं, आपको इतना इतना लगे, आप झगड़ा कर रहे हो। तो बोले, आप बाकी लोगों का ठीक है, जिसको 35% पे पास होते हैं वो उतने में खुश होते हैं, लेकिन जिसका एक आधा मार्क भी कट हो जाता है तो वो तो झगड़ा कर देता है गुरु जी से। तो मेरा भी वैसा है, यदि वेदा प्रमाणानि, तो वहां भगवान प्रकट होते और बोलते, आपने वाक्य बोलते समय आपने ठीक नहीं बोला, आप बोले यदि वेदा प्रमाणानि। यदि का अर्थ होता है, यदि मतलब यदि का अर्थ होता है इफ यू शुड नॉट हैव दैट मच डाउट ऑल्सो इन वेदास। आपने यदि शब्द का प्रयोग किया, इसलिए आपको यहां एक कट आया। तो बेसिकली दैट मच श्रद्धा ही हैड। देन भगवान शंकराचार्य, while he was taking, the Kumari Bhatta was taking that sankalpa, and then Bhagwan Shankaracharya ji comes to know that he is going to get burned in that Tushagni. Then he goes there, Shankaracharya goes there and asks him to not do these kind of things, but he doesn't say, because he had lot of shraddha and faith in Shastra. Then he said, I had taken a sankalpa and I will follow that. I will follow Shastra. Then he gives Sharik Bhashyam to that, but he says, now you don't give it to me. You take the Sharik Bhashyam, in the sense Brahma Sutra Bhashyam, and there is one more person, Mandana Mishra, to go there and do Vada Shastrartha with him. Then Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji says, okay, I will go there. And then he is going to visit Mandana Mishra. And before going that, he doesn't know where is the house of Mandana Mishra. There was some Mahila who were carrying the pot, the water pot. And then Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji asked them, where is the house of Mandana Mishra? That time those Mahila say, Swatah pramanam paratah pramanam kirangana yatra girang giranti dwarastha nidantara sanniruddhaha janihi tat panditamanditakah janihi tat panditam mandana janihi tan mandana panditaukah. Kshamyatam. The last line is janihi avagacha, you know what, tat mandana panditam aukah. Aukah in the sense house. So that is the house of Mandana Mishra. Which house? So where the Kiranganaha, Kira means Shuka, parrot. Angana means wife. So there where Maina you shabd is Hindi, right? Popat ani Maina. Marathi shabd hai vattah mahit nahi. The parrots and the Maina, I don't know what is called Maina in English.
Female parrot.
Female parrots, like female parrot. There were female parrots and female parrots sitting on the top of that, Mandan Mishra's house, and they are doing, like they are saying, Swatah pramanam paratah pramanam. Whether Vedas are Swatah pramanam or paratah pramanam. Jagat dhruvam sa kirangana yatra girang garanti. Like that, the Mahila said, there where actually the parrots are discussing regarding whether Jagat is dhruvam, eternal or non-eternal. Then karma phalapradam karma phalaprado ajaha, whether pradata, karma phalapradata is karma or Ishvara. This kind of discussion is going on. That place is called Mandan Mishra's house. So you will identify that house by understanding or by looking at those Mahinas who are discussing this kind of Shastra. So this is how this they introduce. Okay. Then Shankaracharya ji goes there. There are big story what happens, how what Vada was there, who was the Nirnayaka for that. There is a lot story. Sometime we will see that. So basically you were asking regarding Shanach or Shatru Pratyaya. So Yatra Kiranganaha Nama Shukaha Athva Shukapatnyaha शास्त्रार्थं भाषमाणाः सन्ति तद्गृहं पंडित मंडन मिश्रस्य जानीहि. दैट इज द हाउस ऑफ मंडन मिश्र. सो यत्र किरांगनाः भाषमाणाः शास्त्रार्थं भाषमाणाः सन्ति अथवा यत्र किराः शुकाः शास्त्रार्थं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति तत् पंडित मंडितस्य अथवा मंडन मिश्रस्य गृहम् अवेहि इति. दिस इज कॉल्ड शत्रु.
धन्यवादः.
ओके. So,
Very interesting.
जी, the nice. There are very
Nice.
the Madhav Vidyaranya has written a grantha called Shankara Digvijay. Very nice, and sometimes we must go through it. Whenever you get time, you go through it. शंकराचार्य जी का चरित्र किसी को पता नहीं होगा, मुझे तो लगता है. Have you heard about शंकराचार्य चरित्र? How he was born, to whom, etc. That much story you might know probably.
We don't know it like in the deep, but we know about Shankaracharya, where he born and what he
Know
did
about
for the Sanatan Dharma and Vedic culture, how he saved us from Buddha's. At that time, Buddha Vichar was very too much spread in the world, and he survived the Sanatan and Vedas, right?
Yes.
and we know that Charpat Panjari and
there are stories regarding his shishyas also, like how Padmapadacharya got that Padmapada Nam, how Totakacharya, even Sureshwaracharya. There are a lot of stories. We'll see sometime. Okay, anyway, we have to continue our topic. So these are Bhadi Stah Dhatu. You can practice this. Now let me move to next Gana, which is a Divadi Gana, fourth conjugation. So Jana becomes Jayate. Ya Vikaran will be added. Ya is a Vikaranam. Okay. So Jana becomes Jayate. In the similarly, there is a in Yakara. That's how it becomes Mana. Jayamanaha. Mana Pratyay would be added. So Jayamanaha. Yuddhyate becomes Yudhyamanaha. Dayate becomes Dayamanaha. Okay. Deepa Vidyate becomes Dipyamanaha. Buddhyate becomes Buddhyamanaha. Manyate becomes Manyamanaha. Liyate becomes Liyamanaha. Vidyate becomes Vidyamanaha. Klishyate becomes Klishyamanaha. Padyate becomes Padyamanaha. So we'll practice 2-3 sentences, then we will move to Turadigana. Next sentences.
युद्धमानः अर्जुनः विषादम् अनुभवति.
युध्यमानः अर्जुनः विषादम् अनुभवति. अथवा युध्यमानः अर्जुनः भीष्माचार्यस्य उपरि शरान् क्षिपति. Next.
How can we make the sentence that one? Karmat Sudro Jayate, right? Or Karmat Brahmano Jayate.
कर्मणः ब्रह्म तत्र शानस् प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगः न खलु, शत्रु शानस् इत्यस्य प्रयोगः न. So continuous tense we have, right? Jayamanah, what is producing? What is being produced all the time? So that kind of sentence we can. Jayamana we can say Himalayat Ganga Jayamana Asti. Right? She's.
So can we make that Annad Bhavati Parjanyo? So Annad.
Parjanyah Annad.
Parjanyad.
Parjanyad Bhutani Jayamanani Santi. Right? Annat. From the beings are being produced. Next. Akashe.
I want to say something about the Dayamanaha. I want to say something like the flying birds uh, landed on a tree or something like that. Dayamanaha
हम्म
Pakshinaha
द-
Vrukshe
हम्म
Dayamanaha Pakshinaha.
दयमानाः पक्षिणः पक्षिणः इज प्लुरल
Oh, Dayamanaha Pakshinaha
हम्म
Vrukshe
उपविशन्ति
Upavishanti.
हम्म नाइस
आकाशे दीप्यमानः
आकाश
दीप्यमानः
हम्म
नक्षत्राणि
हाँ
सन्ति
आकाश
नक्षत्राणि
हाँ आकाशे नक्षत्राणि दीप्यमानानि सन्ति
दीप्यमानानि विशेषण विशेषण
हाँ। आकाशे सूर्यः दीप्यमानः अस्ति इति अहं विषयं बुध्यमानः अस्मि I am understanding the subject. ते आत्मानं पंडितमन्यमानाः सन्ति मूढाः आत्मानं पंडितमन्यमानाः भवन्ति means what? The mood people, the fool people, they consider themselves as they are considering themselves as pandita manyamanaha. They consider themselves as pandita, wise.
शिष्यः गुरो चरण गुरोचरणं लीयमानः अस्ति
गुरुचरणे अथवा चरणयो.
गुरुचरण
Nice.
Can we use padyate in that sloka? Shraddhavan labhate jnanam.
श्रद्धावान ज्ञानं पद्यमानः भवति आपद्यमानः भवति इति आपद्यमान he will obtain, he is obtaining the knowledge.
Avinash, can you scroll down something? I am not able to see that Padyamanaha, like half of it.
Okay, let me share the. No, you cannot see that. You have to zoom it out. You will see. Anyway, I am sure. Another one. Next, Sudadigana. म्रियते धातु becomes म्रियमाणः. विन्दते धातु becomes विन्दमानः. Again प्राप्त करना to gain. दिश धातु becomes दिशमानः to say अथवा to show. आदेशमानः to order, to address. Okay, order. Okay, उपदिशमानः similar to address, to उपदेश करना. उपदेश करने को क्या बोलते हैं? Address. Okay. मुञ्चमानः to release. सिंचति सिंचमानः to sprinkle. And याचते to beg. याचमानः is asking, is sprinkling, like that.
So we can say याचमानाः भिक्षुकाः सर्वे कुप्यन्ति
कुप्यन्ति. Okay, याचमानाः भिक्षुकाः कुप्यन्ति. Asking beggars get angry. Okay, nice.
सर्वे 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 कुप्यन्ति means सब
याचमान. Now you can say याचमानेभ्यः भिक्षुकेभ्यः सर्वे जनाः कुप्यन्ति. Isn't it?
हाँ.
जहाँ क्रोध प्रदर्शित किया जाता है उसमें चतुर्थी होती है. तो याचमाने चतुर्थी भिक्षुकेभ्यः चतुर्थी.
कुरुक्षेत्रे कृष्णः गीताम् उपदिश्यमानः
अस्ति आसीत्
आसीत्.
साधु. Nice. चुरादिगणस्थ धातु you can decline even in शत्रु प्रत्यय like चोरयन् अथवा चोरयमान. They are उभयपदी धातुज. क्षालयमानः क्षालयन्, तर्जयमानः तर्जयन्, बोथ वे, तर्पयमानः तर्पयन्, पीडयन्, स्वादयन्, लोकयन्, रचयन्, मण्डयन्, धारयन्. सिमिलरली चोरयमानः क्षालयमानः तर्जयमानः तर्पयमानः पीडयमानः स्वादयमानः लोकयमानः रचयमानः मण्डयमानः धारयमानः. बोथ वे we can use. Make some sentences. चोरः चोरं, चोरः धनं,
चोरयमाणः
चोरयमानः आसीत्. He was, stealing the wealth. Next, क्षालयमानः क्षालयमाना स्त्रीलिंग.
रजकः वस्त्राणि क्षालयमानः आसीत्
Ah,
आसीत्.
yeah, both way we can say. Even bhavishyati we can say. हाँ,
Okay.
nice. Next,
माता पुत्रीं तर्जयमाना अस्ति.
अस्ति. Nice. Next, व्याधि रोगिणम् अथवा रोगिणीं पीडयमाना भवति. स्वादते स्वादयमानः, अहं फलं स्वादयमानः अस्मि. लोकयमानः
यज्ञ से पितरों को तृप्त करना.
तर्पयमानः.
तर्पण शब्द
यज्ञेन और यज्ञाय
यज्ञेन
यज्ञेन
पितॄन् तर्पयमानाः भवन्ति.
ओके.
जनाः यज्ञेन अथवा हविर्दानेन पितॄन् तर्पयमानाः भवन्ति इति. नेक्स्ट,
कवि कवेः श्लोकान् रचयमानः
दुर्जनः सज्जनेन पीड्यमानः
पीड्यमानः अस्ति. सज्जनः पीड्यमानः भवति. श्लोकान् रचयमानः वर्तते. कविः श्लोकान् रचयमानः अस्ति. नाइस. नेक्स्ट, मण्डयमानः अलङ्काराणि शरीरं मण्डयमानानि भवन्ति. राइट. यस. धारयमानः अहं वस्त्राणि धारयमानः अस्मि. आई एम वेयरिंग और सपोर्टिंग आल्सो. फाइन, सपोर्टिंग.
So how can we say कि राम को बेर देने से पहले सबरी माता टेस्ट करते थे कि मीठा है या खट्टा है. तो हाउ कैन वी टेक इट इन स्वादयमानः.
शबरी बदरी फलानि स्वादयमाना आसीत्. सो रामाय बदरी फलानि दानात् प्राक् पूर्वं सा स्वादयमाना आसीत् इति वक्तुं शक्यते.